dynamic, and she's really tiny and terrific. Absolutely tiny. I love her. Absolutely love her. And I love her that she gave me this role. Yeah.
शंकर भाई आप
और आपका तो एक बहुत बहुत स्वागत है ऐसे रील है आपकी फिल्म रीलूटिंग के लिए हम लोग आए हैं और मैं खुशी है कि आपने इतनी अच्छी फिल्म शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाई है स्टार्ट विद सर तो मुंबई कैसा लग रहा है एंड आई जस्ट गॉट टू नो आपसे जब नाइट में जाके आए क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे
ये तो it's like a lovely dream to me. This trip to Mumbai. I tell you why. First, तो जब 24 तारीख को होने वाला था, I thought we'll get inundated because it was orange alert or whatever it is. And like a miracle, the weather held and everything went off beautifully. And I was amazed to find a packed house on the 24th at NCP Musical Theatre, which was marvelous. It was so heartwarming, incredible. And today, it's still raining cats and dogs out there. And you people have arrived. I'm really, really thankful to all of you, personally and collectively. Thank you so much that we are making it happen. Bombay, you have a lot of heart, I must say this. I love it.
सर हम मूवी की बात करें तो क्या आपने इसमें रोल प्ले किया और क्या मैसेज दे रहे हैं पिक्चर?
Message?
यस
Message is all hers. मैं मैसेज के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता.
यस मैम रोल के बारे में
मेरे रोल के बारे में?
जी
I'll be very plebeian, very down to earth. I'm a gangster, a hitman, a killer, like that. Okay. But at the end of the movie, you start doubting, is he as dark as it looked in the beginning? That very shortly is my character. I don't know if I've been able to explain it. I'm not all that dark. Thank you.
मैम आप बताइए किस तरह की मैसेज दे रहे हैं पिक्चर?
देखिए कुछ एक किस्म के मैसेज नहीं है इस मूवी में. देयर आर डिफरेंट लाइक लेयर्स ऑफ मैसेजेस एंड मेटाफोरिकल यूज ऑफ मैसेजेस. पर अगर बहुत ही प्रिसाइज वे में मुझे कुछ बोलना है तो बस यही मुझे बोलना है कि आप रीरूटिंग ये शब्द कब सुनते हो? जब आप जीपीएस लगाते हो, कोई डायरेक्शन लगाते हो, गलत रास्ते पे जाते हो तो जीपीएस आपको बोलता है रीरूटिंग. वो बोलता ही जाएगा रीरूटिंग जब तक आप सही रास्ता नहीं पकड़ोगे. तो कभी
finally, a mysterious end.
Yeah.
Good, that is the last twist, I think. Absolutely unexpected, but when you see it, अगर आप देखते हैं तो पता लगेगा कि हाँ यही होना चाहिए था शायद, और ये भी हो सकता है कि आप ज़्यादा मांगेंगे।
I think we were very clear पहले से ही स्क्रिप्ट लेवल से कि हमें कुछ ऐसा चाहिए जो लगे कि खत्म होना है, अभी खत्म हो जाएगा, उसके बाद कुछ और शुरुआत। It's like that was our main point. So that became.
Yes.
So my question to you is psychological thriller can be intense. So what are the chances?
This is my first time doing a psychological thriller, and this is all like my team's first time doing a black and white project. Writing wise, it was very hard initially because so I think like my not strength but at least the section जहाँ पे I've been pointed out as a writer I can do well is creating the relationship. So I had to put aside this burden to write a psychological thriller and first focus on the characters. The characters का relationship क्या? The moment I started focusing on that, then everything else kind of came into position. And also the seed idea was there कि ये गाड़ी के अंदर करनी है. There's a reason behind that. But challenges I faced a lot because I didn't want to बहुत सारे drafts हुए थे and you know I didn't want to make it preachy. I didn't want to, but I also wanted to give the subtle messages and a subtle character arc का चीज़. मतलब एक रात में you cannot become like from A to Z. वो कुछ ज़्यादा होता है. But I at least wanted to keep my characters from A to B point. तो वो challenges थे and I think a lot of people read the draft and they gave their opinion. You know, and we did a lot of reading. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा reading करते थे to understand the pace because I did not want the pace to go down. And एक और चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में थी कि मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए कि audience can ever go ahead of the
One step behind.
the protagonist but never ahead of the protagonist. So those were the things that I knew I want to achieve. Abhi, it just keeps on the script. Like if you have a solid blueprint, the story keeps on adding until the edit level. So the challenges for writing it was hard, but we figured it out. I mean, I just didn't want to go preachy and I didn't want to fall into the trap of you know अपनी बैठ के समझाना है कि ये कैसे हुआ क्यों हुआ. Let people figure it out. I just wanted to leave a couple of question marks and still give that message.
अमिताभ बच्चन ने काफी तारीफ की है, praise किया है, क्या कितना प्राउड फील करते हैं इस चीज को आप?
ठीक है, अमिताभ बच्चन सर ने देखा है that is like a big thing for us, young filmmakers and even for anybody. But I would say कि it's not just about अमिताभ बच्चन सर. अगर मतलब आप में से भी कोई देख के हमें अगर आगे कुछ बोलोगे मूवी के बारे में, तो it's equally gonna make me feel happy and proud. Amitabh Bachchan sir, I'm just grateful that he took out the time, he watched it and उनको इतनी अच्छी लगी ये movie. He's given a heartfelt message and he also feels like it's very refreshing, everything was very natural.
You read it out.
I can read out the
I
message.
think it's worth reading.
Yeah, so the message
Please.
that he
I just couldn't believe it, what you were saying.
so मैं read out कर रही हूँ the message that he wrote to me after watching the movie. Well done, Kankana. So refreshing to see your work. The story, the direction, the performances, all so natural and done to perfection. Many congratulations, and I feel a certain pride that I know you. Love and all the best.
Incredible.
Amitabh Bachchan.
That
So
line.
this was
I feel a certain pride that I know you. Nothing can be more than that.
सर आपने एक्ट किया है, कैसी केमिस्ट्री थी मैडम के साथ आपकी?
मेरा
जी
इनसे
yes.
मेरा तो केमिस्ट्री सबसे ही चलता है. I have a great chemistry with her as well. Because I did not underestimate her, but I thought maybe she's a college girl or something like that. Her face is so unlined and so fresh and as if there's no thought behind her. Totally deceptive face. And later on I realized that she is quite something. The chemistry with her evolved her before. I didn't know her before. And she came to me one day and saying that, I met you at such and such place. Can I meet you again to discuss a film, a short film, where I want you to be featured? I said, yeah, okay, I'm open. Yeah, please come over. And that's how I met her. The chemistry बढ़ते जा रहा मेरे ख्याल से ये खत्म नहीं हुआ.
मैम मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ, सबसे पहले आपको बहुत बधाई हो. मेघान जो स्टार है हमारा देश का, अमित जी ने तारीफ किया पिक्चर, मतलब हिट है पिक्चर. तो हम जानना पिक्चर के लोग जल्दी तारीफ करता नहीं हो, जब किया तो मतलब पिक्चर हिट है. ये पिक्चर कब देखने को मिलेगा, कहाँ देखने को मिलेगा, हमारे ऑडियंस को थोड़ा बताएंगे.
देखिए शॉर्ट फिल्म अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे इंडस्ट्री में शॉर्ट फिल्म अभी फीचर फिल्म को भी रिलीज करना प्रमोट करना इतना मुश्किल हो चुका है.
And there are no commercial channels
Yeah,
for featuring short films.
yeah.
ये सब तो है नहीं हमारे यहाँ.
तो आई फील लाइक ये शॉर्ट फिल्म फीचर फिल्म वेब सीरीज अभी टाइम आ चुका है, यू नो, लाइक जस्ट डिफरेंशिएशन बंद करो एंड जस्ट लेट पीपल वॉच द कंटेंट एंड गुड प्रोडक्ट, यू नो. लाइक आप जैसे बोल रहे हो कि देश के शहंशाह ने प्रेस किया ये वो, कल हम लोग जब उनसे मिले ही हिमसेल्फ वाज लाइक, यू नो, ऐसे रिफ्रेशिंग कंटेंट हमें देखने को नहीं मिलता है. एंड इट वाज शोइंग ऑन हिज फेस दैट हाउ मच ही वुड लव टू वॉच इट अगर ये कोई प्लेटफॉर्म में अवेलेबल हो जाए. तो आर होप इज कि अभी मुंबई में जितना प्यार हमें मिला है एनसीपीए में, हम लोगों ने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि इतनी मतलब प्यार मिलेगी हमें. हाउसफुल था, पीपल स्टेड बैक फॉर द क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन जो कि मूवी की ड्यूरेशन से ज़्यादा लंबा था. तो आई फील कि हमारा अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप यही है, एटलीस्ट दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट, इज टू स्क्रीन दिस मूवी एज मैनी टाइम्स एज आई कैन ऑल ओवर इंडिया and then find the right platform for it, because I strongly believe and my team even believes that this is a film that needs to be seen, that needs to be watched with everybody. क्योंकि जब भी थिएटर में लोग देखते हैं ना, अभी तक हम लोगों ने प्रॉपर थिएटर स्पेसिंग्स में ही दिखाए हैं. कोलकाता में 4 स्क्रीनिंग्स हो चुकी है, परसों हमारी लंदन में है स्क्रीनिंग. तो अभी तक जो होता है ना कि एवरीबडी जस्ट गोज क्वाइट जब मूवी चलती है ना. वी हैव हैड पीपल से कि 36 मिनट के लिए हम भूल चुके थे कि हमारे पास एक फ़ोन है, यू नो, कि आप कहीं और देख रहे हो. तो आई फील कि इसके लिए आई वांट टू फाइंड OTT प्लेटफॉर्म एंड पुट इट आउट देयर सो दैट मोर पीपल कैन वॉच इट. एंड फॉर दैट वी नीड यू गाइस as well. And thank you for coming. Just spread the word and let people know that there is something like this, because it's very hard to reach out to the audience अभी के ज़माने में.
ये मूवी मैम बंगाली में है, क्या इतनी अच्छी स्टोरी है कि अदर भी लैंग्वेज में इसका डब होगा या क्या है?
देखिए ये बंगाली में पूरी नहीं है, ये बाइलिंगुअल है. इसमें इंग्लिश ज़्यादा है, बंगाली बिगिनिंग के हाफ में है, ये सबटाइटल है. डबिंग अभी जो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म हमें अप्रोच करेंगे उन लोगों का जो भी कंडीशन होगा, वी आर वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल. आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि देखिए अगर एक मूवी आपको कैप्टिवेट करती है ना स्टोरी, तो ये बंगाली, मराठी, गुजराती, मलयालम, कन्नड़ा, जो भी लैंग्वेज बोल रहे इंडिया में जितने सारे हैं, दैट इज नॉट गोइंग टू स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम लाइकिंग समथिंग दैट्स गुड. क्योंकि ये हमको
मैम
Yes.
सर इतने लेजेंड है, सर के साथ आपने क्या सीखा आपने इस मूवी में कि सीनियर एक्टर के साथ काम करने, न्यू जनरेशन की किस तरह रहता है ट्रेनिंग, और दूसरी तरह सर के अलावा कौन कौन एक्टर है इसमें?
Sir के अलावा there is another really like veteran actor called Pradeep Bhattacharya sir, and I was also lucky to work with him. With Sir, the biggest experience that I had as a director actor was, you know, when एक डायरेक्टर का सबसे बड़ा चीज़ होता है कास्टिंग. When the casting is right, then because I've been there जहाँ पे casting सही नहीं है, and then you know movie please. So I think the biggest thing about Sir was that he became a part of the team and he had his own, you know, he was bringing something to the table. He didn't just come and say क्या मुझे क्या करना है बोलो and then say the lines and get out. ऐसा नहीं था. So it was a big learning experience for us young generation, and he brought that energy with him, you know, जो पूरी climax scene में थी. अगर आप देखोगे तो most of it he was so involved in the blocking and like knowing exactly what we want. So जब आपके actors आपके team member बन जाते हैं तो as a director I've learned that let them play. You know, आप सुनो कि क्या है उनको बोलने का, and at the end of the day अगर थोड़ा divert हो रहा है तो you're there to guide him back on the route. But don't restrict it, you know. So don't get married to your words, don't get married. You know the story. If he's bringing something that's elevating my story, then why not? And he absolutely did that. And I think Midul also has something to say from the cruise end about Sir.
It was, how can I say, he collaborated with us. Like, one of the best angles was suggested by him, which was inside the car. It's very difficult to shoot something inside the car and have like a long sequence of 5 minutes and keep it interesting. And he suggested one very brilliant angle, which was like a legs perspective, and it worked like boom. And we used it quite a lot, you know. So, I mean, not just that, but I felt like it was a very immersive process. Like, while we, even though he was there on set for like 8 hours, 6 hours, but it was just a very wholesome, immersive, focused process. Although we did have a lot of fun, all of us on the set. But yeah, it was fantastic.
Yes, sir.
My question is like your film is a controversial kind of film. A lot of controversial happens. Like 12 Angry Men, the other films are there. Are you planning to make a proper controversial style of film in horror genre? Because it has some element and it's not. Is this your thought on it? Black and white, those of shots, it has that element, right?
Yeah.
Full fledged film.
Yeah.
Are you planning something like that? Could be, I think, something great from India.
I think
That you
you're-
have actually seen any.
Conversational
Yes.
horror.
Yeah.
That's
It's
a complex genre. in
That's
itself.
very interesting because one of there was an audience member at NCPA who was 13 years old, and she, as soon as the movie started, she said to her father, "Okay, I think this is horror." And then she's like, "I think she's Monjalika. She's speaking in Bengali. I think this guy's gonna kill her." So like she had that perspective. Absolutely, why not? Like even if you watch the movie Heretic, like it's pretty much a conversational horror section. Absolutely, I would love to try, but see, I don't really think about कि ये genre बनाना है, ये बनाना है. So I just feel like the story that appeals to me, and then I start writing. अभी वो बन जाती है psychological thriller तो बन जाती है, horror बनती है तो बन जाती है, drama होता है तो हो जाता है. So I would love to try it,
So
definitely.
you have pulled it really well there, so you can hopefully
Thank you.
surely
Thank you.
come up with
Thank you.
अच्छा, लास्टली पूछना था, और ये आपका भी मूवी बंगाली में है, तो नहीं लगता कि चाहने वाले कुछ ज़्यादा ही अभी तादाद अभी बम्बई में आ रहे हैं, आंध्र और बढ़ रहे हैं,
चाहने वाले sorry.
कुछ ज़्यादा ऑडियंस अभी जाग रहे हैं बंगाली मूवी के लिए?
I don't know. I feel the times are changing. People are wanting something different, and our industry was very restricted and very like age bound and everything. जो कि Hollywood में जहाँ पे मैं already एक base है मेरी छोटी सी, वहाँ पे the best thing was कि like age is not the thing. I mean, you look at Meryl Streep, you look at Judi Dench, London May, you look at all the other actors. Characters are written for them.
फाइनली सर क्या
I think he has something to say to his question.
यस
I think as an actor, I wouldn't want to be bound to a particular category. नहीं इंडिया में ही चलेगा, बाहर नहीं चलेगा. If your acting is universal, then it will be understood and hopefully appreciated universally. That's where I want to be. Not बंगाल का है, ना मुंबई का है, ना हो कहीं. Universal actor, like universal soldier.
यस यस
उनमें जो रीजनल सिनेमा की बात है, अगर आपको लगता है कि रीजनल सिनेमा में जो स्टोरी राइटिंग होती है या जो मतलब कि स्क्रीन पे होता है वो ज़्यादा अच्छा हो रहा है कंपेयर टू बॉलीवुड.
Bollywood has become, I mean, I don't know. I think there's still some more honesty left regional में because वो budget का restriction होता है, सब कुछ होता है. Honestly, I think I love South की films अभी because they're so true to the stories. They're very honest in what they're trying to achieve, and they have. She's worked more in South, so she'll have a better answer to that than me because. कमर्शियलाइजेशन जहाँ पे ज़्यादा हो जाता है ना वहाँ पे क्रिएटिविटी टेक्स अ बैक यू नो जहाँ पे ये बोला जाता है कि नहीं 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 ये लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगा. अच्छा आप लोग बोलिए कि आप जब बोलते हो कि लोग ये नहीं देखेंगे, व्हाट इज द रिसर्च बेसिस कि लोग ये नहीं देखेंगे. मुझे भी बहुत पहले बोला गया था कि अरे ये कोई नहीं देखेगा, यू नो इट्स टू मच ये वो. You see the reaction now. So how do we know? All you can do as a storyteller, as a filmmaker is आप एक कहानी choose करते हो, आप उसको अपने perspective से बताओ, honesty से बताओ, दिलो-जान से बताओ, and then leave it up to the audience. I cannot go about finding कि लोग क्या खा रहे हैं अभी, लोग क्या देखना चाहते हैं. Anything refreshing if you give to them honestly ना, then they'll accept it, is what I think.
एक चीज मैं बताता हूँ.
जी जी
When you started, alright, you started with the love story, and then it became very popular. You overdid it and you killed it. Then you suddenly realized, अगर horror film किया जाए कैसे होता है? Nobody had seen a horror film. How are they going to like it? It's a dark territory. You are taking a plunge. So every time you take a new path, you are taking a plunge. But people might react positively. क्या ये तो न्यू कुछ है.
And you know,
That I think is उसको मौका मिलना चाहिए.
exactly.
You call it a stereotype. Why should you want to become a stereotype actor or storyteller or whatever?
And I think rerouting the screenings, that's what's teaching us. Like, people are ready to take something new, refreshing, and जहाँ पे उन लोगों को सोचने का मौका मिलता है, जहाँ पे आप spoon feeding
थैंक यू। अच्छा, फाइनली ऑडियंस के आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं, क्यों पिक्चर देखिए फाइनली?
ऑडियंस को ऑब्वियसली देखो पिक्चर बनाई जाती है so that people can watch it. We don't want to make it and keep it safe more. तो I would request the audience कि जिन्होंने भी देखा है मुंबई में NCPA में, जिन्होंने भी कोलकाता में देखा, I'm using this media for anybody, please spread the word because it's very hard to push an independent short film without any big backing commercially. Please spread the word. ये screenings करना, talking to you guys. The reason is that this movie can be watched by everyone. So I would love for you to spread the word. If there are any other curators that want to talk to us about the movie, feel free to reach to us, and we are very much flexible about any need. So that's my wish as a storyteller. You guys want to say something to the audience?
We hope you enjoy our film whenever you get to see it.
थैंक यू। एक बार विजुअल कर लेते, विजुअल कर लेते, खड़े हो जाइए, विजुअल सेंटर देखिए ना।
सामने हाँ राइट से
Right, from left to right.
यस यस यस, लेफ्ट टू राइट।
Like that. You starting from left?
या
All right, yeah. Thank
ओके,
you.
थैंक यू। फोटो चलिए, फोटोग्राफ